Welcome to Right Choose. Top 10 Best Digital SLR Camera Buying Guide. Top 1. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV Full-Frame Digital SLR Camera with EF24 to 105mm, f/4 LIS2 USM Lens Kit with Canon EF16 to 35mm f/2.8 L3 USM Lens. 30.4 MP full-frame CMOS sensor for versatile shooting. Aspect ratio 3:2, up to 7.0 frames per second continuous shooting speed. High-performance L-series ultra-wide-angle zoom lens with constant f/2.8 maximum aperture. Top 2. Canon EOS R6 Mark II Mirrorless Camera RF24-105mm f4L USM Lens Kit, Hybrid Full-Frame Camera, 24.2 megapixel CMOS Sensor. Photo and video camera capabilities, RF mount, black. High image quality featuring a new 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, DSLR image processor with an ISO range of 100 to 102,400, expandable to 204,800, high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 fps with mechanical shutter and up to 40 fps electronic, silent, shutter, raw burst mode and pre-shooting captures up to approximately 30 fps, dual-pixel CMOS AF2 covering up to 100% x 100% area with 1053 AF zones, automatic subject detection of people, animals, and vehicles using deep learning technology with new subjects to detect including aircraft. Top 3. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV Full-Frame Digital SLR Camera Body with EF24 to 70mm f/2.8 L2 USM Standard Zoom Lens. New 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor for versatile shooting in nearly any light, with ISO range 100 to 32,000. Expandable up to 50 to 102,400, equivalent ISO. 4K motion JPEG video, DCI Cinema Type 4096x2160, at 30p or 24p. Top 4. Canon EOS 7D Mark II Digital SLR Camera with 18 to 135mm is STM lens. 20.2 MP CMOS sensor and ISO 100 to 16,000, high-SP PED continuous shooting up to 10.0 fps, 65. All-cross Type AF system, stunning Full HD video with custom movie servo AF, speed and sensitivity. Dual-pixel CMOS AF enables you to shoot video like a camcorder. EOS 7D Mark II Body, EFS 18 135mm f/3.55.6 ISSTM, iCup egg, wide neck strap EW EOS 7D Mark II, USB interface cable IFC150U2, battery pack. LPE6N, battery charger LCE6, cable protector, EOS digital solution disc, software instruction manual. The Canon EOS 7D Mark II digital SLR camera is designed to meet the demand. Top 5. Canon EOS 6D Mark II DSLR camera with EF24 to 105mm USM lens, Wi-Fi enabled black. 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, optical viewfinder with a 45. All-cross Type AF system. Working temperature range, 30 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 040 degrees Celsius, dual-pixel CMOS AF with phase detection and Full HD 60p. Compatible lenses, Canon EF lenses, excluding EFS and EFM lenses, DSLR image processor, vari-angle touchscreen, 3.0-inch LCD. Canon's EOS 6D Mark II features a high-resolution 26.2 megapixel full-frame Canon CMOS image sensor, Canon's DSLR image processor and a 45. All-cross Type viewfinder AF system with enhanced low-light sensitivity to EV-3 at the center AF point. Additional features include dual-pixel CMOS AF and a 3. Top 6. Pentax K1 Mark II full-frame 36MP weather-resistant DSLR with 3.2 inches TFT LCD, black with Pentax HD DFA 150-450mm f4.5-5.6 EDDCAW Super-Telephoto lens for Pentax KAF cameras. 36MP filterless shake reduction sensor with APS-C crop mode for compatibility with Pentax K-mount lenses, handheld pixel shift resolution that allows 4 images to be complied into a superior image with increased color rendition and sharpness.
Top 7.
Nikon D850 DSLR camera, bundle with 64GB SDXC 3 card, camera case, spare battery, cleaning kit, memory wallet, card reader, glass screen protector, PC software package. Included, Nikon D850 body, 64GB SDXC card, camera case, spare battery, cleaning kit, memory wallet, card reader, screen protector, PC software package, and Nikon 1-year limited warranty. Superior image quality, experience stunning detail with a 45.7MP FX format CMOS sensor, capturing breathtaking stills in 4K UHD video with exceptional clarity and dynamic range. Incredible low light, achieve clean, sharp images in challenging lighting with an ISO range of 64 to 25,600, expandable to 32 to 102,400, minimizing noise and maximizing detail. Lightning fast autofocus.
Top 8.
Nikon D750 digital SLR camera body, factory refurbished with AFS 24 to 120mm f/4 GVRED zoom Nikkor lens. Full-frame 24.3 megapixel CMOS image sensor and XSpeed 4 image processor. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with the WT5 Plus UT1 communication unit, shoot up to 6.5 fps at full resolution. If shutter release disabled aperture ring for CPU lens not locked at highest f number does not apply to Taichi lenses. Pro video feature set including, simultaneously record uncompressed and compressed, manually control ISO, shutter speed and aperture while recording, even use power aperture control for smooth iris transitions and auto ISO for smooth exposure transitions. Compact, lightweight and slim unibody, monocoque, body design with tilting vari-angle LCD display.
Top 9.
Canon EOS 5D Mark III 22.3MP full-frame CMOS digital SLR camera with EF 24 to 70mm f/4 LIS kit. Newly designed 22.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, 14-bit AD conversion, wide-range ISO setting 100 to 25,600, new 61-point high-density reticular AF including up to 41 cross-type AF points with f/4.0 lens support and 5 dual diagonal AF points, sensitive to f/2.8. 3.2-inch Clearview 2 LCD monitor, 170 degrees viewing angle, 1,040,000 VGA, reflection resistance with multi-coating and high transparency materials for bright and clear viewing, EOS HD video with manual exposure control and multiple frame rates with 4GB automatic file partitioning, continuous recording time 29 minutes 59 seconds, 9 seconds.
Top 10.
Nikon D6 FX format full-frame camera digital SLR DSLR Wi-Fi 4K UHD body 1624 Pro bundle with Deco Gear photography backpack case plus 64GB XF Express card plus kit accessories. Nikon USA authorized, includes full Nikon USA warranty, decisive power, faster workflow, absolute reliability. Like every Nikon flagship camera that has come before it, the D6 holds nothing back. Featuring Nikon's most powerful AF system to date for capturing every heart-pounding, pivotal moment, the D6 is an uncompromising workhorse DSLR that lives up to every professional demand in any environment. And because every second counts in the field, the D6 is loaded with new time-saving workflow enhancements and advanced customization options. The D6 has an effective pixel count of 20.8 megapixels, and is equipped with a FX format CMOS sensor and XSpeed 6 image processing engine that contributes to a broad range of standard ISO sensitivities, ISO 100 to 100, 2400 and low light performance. Sharpness and clarity are preserved, and check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.